this is the engine that we took out from the last episode. So all the parts that we need for that engine to go on here, we're gonna take it all off and put on that engine.
Nothing, it's clear.
Stripped the old engine, we took off the intake manifold and the transmission. Now we're going to do the same to the new engine. We put the old intake manifold and the old transmission onto the new engine. And hopefully if everything goes right, we could put it all back into the car. So the engine we're looking at, we have a newer EJ25 and we're going to strip it just like we did to that one. So we're going to take out the intake manifold. And since it's newer, there's this EGR sensor. And we have to block the EGR passages from the head. And since we're going to take out the intake anyways, we don't have to do that. So let's get to it.
like you pull your pee-pee, dude.
Bragging on their home.
Plug it like you plug it.
We should say that. We should say it. That's still clean. That's it for today's video. We stripped the replacement engine and we took out all the stuff from the old engine. And next episode, we're gonna put all the stuff from the old engine on the new engine. So stay tuned if y'all want to see that video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. See y'all.